Hi, does your child often suffer from cold and cough? Picture this. You're a worried mother watching your child cough, looking tired and exhausted. You try preparing ginger juice with honey, but your child refuses to drink it. Trying ginger juice with honey? Oh no, it's a waste of time. But here's the only solution, Samsthiti Ginger Infused Honey. Imagine your child happily drinking warm water with Samsthiti Ginger Infused Honey, smiling and playing again. Quick relief, natural care, and the best results for your family. Try Samsthiti Ginger Infused Honey today. Visit www.samsthiti.net or call +919000834884.